Hey, Dad, you got a package.
Hey, appreciate it, son. Oh, yeah, y'all. Another package for Khrome. Let's go to the garage. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B, and I'm back with another Firetail video for Khrome, y'all. Hey man, happy holidays to everybody. Hope everybody having an awesome day, y'all. I hope you just had an awesome year, man. So today, y'all, we got a great video for you today. It's a company called Super Gear Performance. You definitely have to go check out the website. I'll put it down across the screen here. Man, they have great products that I've seen on the website. This company reached out to me a little while back, about a month ago. It took me a while to respond to everything. You know, me being a truck driver, I don't get everything like I need to get it. But they reached out to me. They sent me a couple of parts they want me to show you all. And man, you gotta check out the website, y'all. You know how sometimes you see some videos, some people email you, you think it's a scam and all that kind of stuff. But man, I went to the website and they sent me 2 boxes here. I went to the website, y'all. I seen so many different parts, from wheels, front forks. If you're looking to do performance on your bike, they are one of the companies I would advise you to take a look at. They had carbon fiber bags, carbon fiber front fairing, all kind of stuff. So yeah, man, and we're gonna put these parts on the bike, y'all, and we're gonna let y'all see what it look like. But let's do an open box right now. OMG, they got this here, the carbon fiber. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out the bag. That is fire. Look at that, y'all. That's fire. That looks really good. I like it, y'all. Y'all look at the difference on here. Look at how that's made, how that's cut. That is awesome. That looks really good. Let me see what else came in the box. The stuff was packaged really nicely in here. It came with the screws that you're gonna need. It came with the stickers here, Super Gear Performance. Y'all make sure y'all go check out the website. I'm telling you, the stuff they had on their website was awesome. Let me put this knife down. This is the rubber here that goes around the edge of the console. And y'all, this is carbon fiber as well. This is the little, you know how you got the little silver there with the screw in it? So I will be taking my seat off. It won't be an installation video, y'all. This is very simple, y'all. Very simple. Look at that. That's carbon fiber as well. That is sweet. So yeah, so that's gonna go right down here where you got the 2 screws to go in. Right here, let me pull this out. The 2 screws right there. That's gonna go right there. So now they did supply you with the 2 screws. I'm gonna sit this right here. And here are the screws that goes in there. So they did put everything in the box. And let's check out, and y'all, this is real carbon fiber. You seen the bottom of that right there. So make sure you go check out Super Gear. And I would definitely put the website up. I can't remember everything that they sent me, so everything is wrapped really well. Oh my gosh, y'all, these are the side covers. Very nice. Let me get it out the bag. This is fire, dog. Ooh wee! I'm lighting the bike up a whole lot using this. Look at that. Super Gear Performance. That is sweet. Man, big shout out to Super Gear Performance, y'all. This is nice. I'm gonna see if I can get a discount code from them as well. If not, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, this is the other one for the other side. Everything is just flawless, man. Everything looks so good. It's so light. OMG. Yeah. Yeah. That is sweet, y'all. So these are just the side covers. Just gonna replace the side covers here. And we're gonna replace the center console. And you know, you just gotta screw up under here, you gotta screw there, and this is gonna come right up. And we gotta remove the saddlebag. I'm gonna have to remove this right here as well, the floorboard, to get that. I might have to remove this to get this out the way so I can pull this out. So y'all, we're gonna get it installed, and then we're gonna get this board in the sunlight and let you see what it look like. And like I say, big shout out to Super Gear Performance. Make sure you go check out their website, man. I would definitely include all the links that you need to go over there and check out their parts. So let's get this on. We're gonna pull it out here and let you take a look at it, and you tell me what you think about it. All right, let's go. All right, y'all. It came, like I said, it came with this, and that's carbon fiber as well. And it came with the 2 screws as well. So we just gonna mount this in here. And y'all, on this carbon fiber, make sure that you don't over tighten certain stuff or you will regret it. All right, y'all, now tell me what you think about the carbon fiber from Super Gear Performance. Man, I think it looks wonderful on the bike. It is so clean and it's lightweight, and I'm loving it, y'all. But yeah, I think it's sweet. I think it's sweet, y'all. Very nice looking, y'all. You can't go wrong with it, y'all. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna get ready to end this video, man. I appreciate Super Gear. Make sure you go check out Super Gear. I'll put the link on the screen. Check them out. Tell me what you think about their products. Put it down in the comments. Make sure you go check out the products first, okay? They got a great products on the line. I mean, like I say, from wheels, from front forks, everything. I mean, they got the performance bagger forks for you, for your bike. They got them in gold. They got them in black. So go check out the website, y'all. And we're gonna end the video right here. Until the next time, next grind. Happy holidays to everybody. I love y'all. We out. Peace.
Jelly, 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 jelly.